Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Remitly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Recipients, Send, Rewards, and Manage. Tap on Manage, then go to Profile under Account Details. Once you tap on Profile, under Profile Information, the first option there will be Name. Go ahead and select Edit option right beside Name. Now on the screen, you can see you can edit the first name and last name. Go ahead, type in the correct name or the name that you want to change it into, then tap on Save from your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your name in Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.